Hello friends, do you know what is one of the best ways to clean your body? A juice fast, and especially an orange juice fast, which means like for a day or for as many days as you like, and will consume freshly squeezed orange juice. And that way the juice hydrates you, provides you with all the biofilms you need to function properly, and with the natural sugar, the fructose, that even the bees like it. It is a natural carbohydrate, provides you with calories, and your body can function properly. You do not need external electricity. You can also do it by your hands and clean yourself. The juice of the citrus fruit pulls out all the toxins from your body, and it also hydrates you and provides you all the energy to do anything you like. It also makes you feel really good in a natural way, so it's perfect for you. The only thing that's left to do is just to try it on your own and feel the bliss. Just do not eat anything that can harm you, any processed stuff, and drink the oranges. Is just that simple choice. So anyways, my friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and really try it by your own. I love you.